Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to sort your Gmail inbox. Open your browser like Google Chrome or Firefox and search gmail.com in the search bar. Open Gmail and log into your account by adding your credentials. You will see the select icon like a small square with a down arrow. Click on the down arrow and select any option like all, none, unread, or more if you want to select mail. If you want to select unread emails, then click on unread, and all of the unread emails will be selected. If you want to select starred emails, then click on start and all the starred emails will be selected. Same for the unstarred emails if you want to select. By default, Gmail sorts emails in your inbox by date. With the newest emails at the top, you can change the sorting order by clicking on the sort by drop-down menu on the top right corner of your inbox. Select date if it is not already selected. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.